Hey guys, I'm back in here. I'm doing the follow-up video for the ammunition, for the Winchester ammunition here. I was trying out and experimenting with my gun today. I got 7 rounds in the magazine right now. I got 3 Winchester white box, 3 dram, 7.5, and I got 2 rounds of Winchester AA. I got the 1200 feet per second and the 1145 as well too. So I'm going to be doing a 7-round burst here, and we'll see which ammunition seems to have the least recoil, because I got the gun functioning with all 3 types right now. So that's why I'm making this video here for you guys. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. I gotta try laying in this stupid thing because I got a completely uneven hill, so I apologize for my goofy, weird stance, guys. So they all function great. Everything functions great here for that. All 3 different types, the 3 dram white box, the 2 different types of AA ammunition as well too. They cycled okay, so there's no problem with either at. I still got the high-powered recoil springs in the gun right now. The other thing is I have a I want to call low brass Maluka gas puck in this thing as well too. I got that thing from Fort Range. It's a stainless steel gas puck in as well too, and that definitely helps the gun to cycle the real cheap ammunition out there for that. So if you want to get a good upgrade, I recommend contacting Dissident Arms and also picking up a low brass Maluka gas puck for your gas system up here as well too, guys. So I'll see you. Have a nice day.